Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will run and compile the Java program using VS Code. Okay. So for this, first of all, we open the new folder. Okay, for Java program. Okay. So make a new folder. It will be easier to install all the Java program. Okay. So for this, I create a new folder that is mm, Java code. So this is the folder name. Now select folder. Okay. Now this folder has been selected. Folder name is Java code. So here we can create the new file. So create the new file. Now the file name, we write the file name. Here suppose I write the file name is Java VS. So I write the file name Java VS dot Java. This is the Java VS is the class name and this is the extension name. Okay. So I create it. So here it is. So Java VS dot Java. So here is the basic code. So here it is, the class name is main, but our file name is Java VS. That is Java VS. Okay. The class name and the file name should be the same. Okay. And the class name always start with the capital letter. So here is the basic code. So now to run this Java program, first of all we have to download the extension. So from here type. So here I will write Java. So type Java. So here in the first you can see extension pack for Java. It is from the Microsoft. So install So install it. So it has been installed. Now click this window or path. So now click here, it will be removed. So now click here. After the extension is downloaded, click here this button, run code, subscribe. Okay. So here this is the path. So in this here you can see our folder Java code is in the desktop and our file name is Java VS. Okay. So I have written this code in the VS code and I can run this code from and I can run this code using CMD also. Okay. So I type here CMD. So here you can see our folder Java code is in the desktop. Okay. So you can write cd desktop and next is Java code. cd Java code. And here you can see Java C, Java VS dot Java. That means Java C, Java VS dot Java. This is the class name and this is the extension. And here is the Java code. And you can write Java. So here you can see Java VS. That is class name. And here you can see the subscribe. So in this way we can execute the program in two ways, either in VS code or either in CMD. Okay.